Welcome to the StatTree video module for canonical correlation. To test whether there is a relationship between two sets of continuous variables, the canonical correlation would be appropriate. You will need at least 4 continuous variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, all of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use educational-related responses for one set of variables and entertainment-related responses for the other set of variables. With the PEVS dataset open in SPSS, you would choose History and Learn for the first set of variables and Entertain and Rewind for the second set. To run the canonical correlation test for multiple association, go to Analyze in the top menu, select Correlate, and choose Canonical Correlation. When the Canonical Correlation dialog box appears, select the historical component and Learn Something variables and press the arrow button next to the Set 1 box. Then select the Entertainment Reason and Rewind and Review variables and press the arrow button next to the Set 2 box. Now press the OK button. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the relationship between educational and entertainment reasons for watching shows and movies. Here are your test results. You would report these figures as well as the F-score figures for any canonical correlations which meet the significance criterion. Additionally, the Wilks lambda figure, the squared canonical correlations for the significant functions, and a table of standardized coefficients and canonical loadings for each variable in the analysis should be reported. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. Additionally, these procedures can be run from an SPSS syntax file. The code for this script can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.